Folks, running influencer campaigns can feel like babysitting 50 conversations at once. One creator disappears, another one's triple your budget, and by the time contracts are signed, the trend is already gone. It's exhausting. I've been testing an AI agent that basically says, "Give me the brief, I'll handle the chaos." It's called AHA, and it actually automates the influencer workflow end-to-end instead of giving you yet another dashboard to stare at. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'll show you how AHA works and how it helps brands run campaigns faster and more transparently. This platform works with over 300 paying enterprise customers. It helps AI teams move 5 to 10 times faster. This tool is already used by TikTok, MetaGPT X, and Vizard. We'll also touch on what it feels like from the creator side if you are the one getting the offers instead of chasing them. Stick around until the end and check the links in the description if you want to try AHA for yourself. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. Let's jump in. Mates, in simple terms, AHA is your 24/7 influencer marketing AI employee. Instead of juggling separate tools for outreach, contracts, and publishing, you talk to one AI that connects all the dots. You give it your goals, your budget, and your target audience, and it handles creator matching, negotiations, content coordination, and performance tracking. Behind the scenes, it works with data on millions of vetted creators, not just their follower counts. Folks, it looks at audience fit and content style, so the people it suggests actually match your brand, instead of being random big names. AHA also made a pretty bold statement with the $1 million AI trust bet at TechCrunch, Disrupt 2025, putting its AI approach up against traditional setups. The idea is clear. An intelligence-powered junior can cover the repetitive work, while your human team focuses on strategy and creative decisions. Friends, let's walk through how a campaign actually comes together inside AHA. You open the platform and your AI influencer marketer greets you with a simple ask. All you need to do is paste the URL of the product page, app listing, docs, or landing page you want to promote. You drop in the link, hit generate, and the agent starts building your campaign in the background. You don't have to fill out endless fields by hand. The platform scans the page and automatically pulls in the essentials. That includes your company name, product category, target market, a short brand introduction, and the core value propositions it thinks you should highlight. It also drafts audience definitions, who this is for and what they care about, because that's what will drive creator matching. You can adjust anything, but most of the brief is already done in seconds. Next, you jump into campaign settings. The AI has already suggested platforms and tags, where your content should run, which locations and languages make sense, and which user segments to target. You refine the posting window, add the link where you want traffic or signups to go, and drop in any brand guidelines or a short campaign brief. If you need more control, you can add an explainer video, reference creators, block lists, or product assets so creators know exactly what to do. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Once the base is ready, AHA shows you a small sample of 3 to 5 creators. This isn't the final list, it's just a preview to help you check if the AI's matching logic fits your brand. You mark whether each creator feels like a good match, and AHA uses that feedback to refine the targeting. The full creator list for actual outreach is generated only after you publish the campaign. Now folks, from what I have seen, the AI does a pretty solid job with this initial matching. I'd say about 3 out of 5 suggestions usually feel spot on for the brand vibe and audience fit. Honestly, if 1 or 2 creators in the sample don't quite match, that's totally fine by me. The point isn't perfection at this stage. It's about giving the AI enough feedback so it understands your brand's direction. Think of it like training a new team member. You wouldn't expect them to nail every pick on day 1, but if they are getting the majority right and learning from your feedback, that's a win. So the ones you like move into a dedicated view. You set your total influencer budget and see typical pricing ranges for different deliverables. like YouTube videos or TikTok posts. When you're happy with the lineup and the numbers, you click Release to push the campaign live. From there, mates, the agent takes over outreach and coordination. After you fund the campaign with a deposit, AHA automatically sends invites to the best fit creators, and within a day or two, applications start rolling in. The platform surfaces creators whose rates are already negotiated and who are ready to collaborate. You get notified in product and by email, open each profile, and review the pre-agreed deliverables and price. You don't need extra rounds of negotiation. Accept the creator and they begin production right away. If you approve, AHA locks the agreement, handles payment behind the scenes, and keeps all status updates in one place, so you don't lose track. While the campaign runs, open the performance report to see how each creator and each piece of content is doing. Results are tied back to your budget, so you can spot what's working fast. From there, folks, you can jump into delivery to check expected delivery dates, click into influencer profiles to vet audience metrics like top geographies and age, and confirm published posts in the influencer report. If you need more funds, top up in billing and payments. If you want consistency, upload your brand guidelines and assets in advanced settings. Basically, the AI does the searching, matching, and number crunching. You stay in one clean dashboard and focus on decisions, not busy work. Alright, folks, let's wrap this up. AHA isn't just another SaaS tool to add to your stack. It behaves like an always-on employee for influencer marketing, taking over the repetitive, messy work. So you and your team can think about strategy and creative instead of spreadsheets. If you're a brand, it helps you launch more campaigns, test more creators, and see what actually works without growing your headcount. If you're a creator, it turns brand deals into a clearer, more predictable part of your income, instead of a random side quest. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.